Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem that appears in your car, but I want you to keep in mind that everything I'm going to explain comes directly from the mechanics here in the shop where I'm at right now. First, let's understand what it means. Basically, your car is telling you that the transmission isn't working like it should. It's not always a serious problem, but it is a serious warning. Ignoring it could make the repair more expensive. So, what causes this light to come on? The expert mechanics here in the shop say this issue is usually caused by a faulty transmission sensor, problems with the engine or transmission module, loose wires or connectors, low oil or transmission fluid levels, or even dirty spark plugs and filters that interfere with combustion. Yeah, it might sound technical, but every one of these problems has a solution. First, don't panic. If the light comes on while you're driving, slow down and avoid pushing the engine too hard. Next, the easiest step, check the fluids. Engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant. Everything should be clean and at the correct level. Many times, when cars come into this shop with this problem, surprisingly, just fixing the fluid levels makes the light go off on its own. If the levels are fine, you can try a little trick that sometimes works. Reset the car's computer, just disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes, and then reconnect it. It's like giving your car a reset. It doesn't always work, but it doesn't hurt to try. After that, check the sensors and connectors. Yeah, those wires and plugs that sometimes seem boring can actually cause problems if they're dirty or loose. Disconnect them, clean them a bit, and reconnect them. Small details, big solutions. The next step is a bit more technical. Use a scanner to read the exact trouble code. This will tell you if the error is coming from a sensor, the transmission, the engine, or somewhere else. And if after all that the light is still on, don't ignore it. Take your car to a reliable shop. Ignoring the powertrain malfunction light can lead to more serious and expensive damage to your engine or transmission. Wait, don't go yet. I'm going to give you a super useful tip from the mechanics here. They say that cleaning the MAF sensor and checking spark plugs and filters can make the light go away without spending much money. It's one of those mechanic secrets that almost nobody tells you, but it works.